Samsung washer model WF46BB6700AVUS error codes. Samsung's Bespoke 4.6 cubic feet large capacity front load washer has a sleek, flat panel design, comes in new premium colors, and is equipped with smart features that simplify your laundry. It has our super speed wash, which powerfully cleans a full load of laundry in just 28 minutes, and our AI smart dial, which learns and recommends your favorite cycles and makes controlling your WF. Error codes. Code: LO or Florida. Problem: door lock error. Fix: check the wiring connections to the door lock switch and tighten if needed. Forcing the door open might damage the door lock switch, which is often made of plastic. However, it is simple to replace and much less expensive than calling a technician. Code: DS. Problem: door is not locked. Fix: if the washer won't start, the DS code might appear, signaling that the washer door is open and the lock is malfunctioning. Use the diagnostic test mode to check the door lock switch assembly. If that shows the lock is defective, replace it. Code: DC. Problem: unbalanced load. Fix: the DC code means the load has been detected as unbalanced during the final spin. Cancel the cycle, or just let it end. Redistribute the load, and re-spin. Code: SUD F70. Problem: too many suds. Fix: allow the suds to settle and move to the spin cycle. Rewash the clothes using no detergent, and then clean your washer. Code: LA. Problem: water level sensor failure. Fix: first, unplug the washer, and check the wire harness connections between the water level sensor and the main control board. If the IE code still appears after plugging the washer back in, the water level pressure sensor should be replaced. Code: NF. Problem: water fill problem. Fix: check that the water supply faucets behind the washer are fully open and kink-free. The lines can also freeze if the washer is exposed to low temperatures. The code might also appear if the water inlet fill valves are defective and need replacement. Code: LA. Problem: low water level during cycles. Fix: water level drops can be caused by leaks in the washer tub or an improperly installed drain line, which can siphon water out of the washer. Reinstall the drain line and try filling again. Code: OE. Problem: overflow or too high water levels. Fix: a washer that is overfilled is usually caused by water inlet valves that are not shutting off the water flow properly. Replace the water inlet valve assembly. Code: NF1. Problem: hot and cold water lines are reversed. Fix: connect the hot and cold water fill hoses correctly on the back of the washer. Code: TE. Problem: water temperature is either too high or too low. Fix: run the diagnostic test mode to check the water temperature that the control board is sensing. If the actual temperature is significantly different, the temperature sensor or thermistor should be replaced. Code: ND. Problem: water will not drain. Fix: if the washer fails to drain within 15 minutes, check the washer drain filter and drain hose for a clog or restriction. If the drain pump is defective or damaged, replace it. Code: E2. Problem: stuck key on control board. Fix: try to free the key by gentle force. If you can't free the key, replace the user interface control board, also called the sub-PCB control board. Code: 3E. Problem: no signal from the drive motor tachometer. Fix: unplug the washer. Check the wire harness connections on the drive motor and the electronic control board. If the wiring connections are sound, the drive motor or the tachometer usually needs to be replaced. Code: 2E. Problem: internal control board failure. Fix: unplug the washer for 5 minutes to reset the electronic control board. Plug the washer back in. If the code returns, replace the electronic control board. Code: A. Problem: communication error between the main PCB and sub-PCB in the control panel. Fix. Check the wire harness connections between the PCB control boards in the control panel. If the wiring connections are sound, replace one or both of the control boards. Code SF. Problem. Main PCB error. Fix. Unplug the washer for 5 minutes to reset the electronic control board. Plug the washer back in. If the code returns, replace the electronic control board. Code. Hour. Problem. Heater relay failure. Fix. The heater relay is a component on the main PCB control board. Unplug the washer for 5 minutes to reset the main PCB control board. Plug the washer back in. If the code returns, replace the main PCB control board.